I don't remember. I don't remember when I learned to cook. I mean, I was born in a hotel restaurant in Auch, Gascogne. It's in the southwest of France, where people don't eat to survive, they live to eat. When I was growing up, everybody around me had a purpose in life to make food better, or wine or alcohol, Armagnac, better. My father was 2 Michelin stars, specialist of foie gras and fowl from the region. With my brother and my little sister, we saw all the farmers coming in and the ranchers, and then I even saw a couple of times a hunter coming with a wild boar and having to hang it and to actually peel it in the backyard of the hotel. It was always clear that my brother, being the man, was going to be the one taking over the business one day. Unconsciously, I really wanted to go as far as possible so that I could say, hey, I did it on my own. There was a song, America, America, I want to have it and I will have it. I always had that song in my head. I always loved America. I was wearing baseball shirts. I like to write, so I came to become a journalist. Then I went to a little charcuterie, salumeria, French salumeria. That was the first one in New York. Started that as a summer job. At the end of the summer, I didn't have enough money to go back to the university. And they proposed to me a steady job with the green card and the contract, the whole thing. And then 5 years into it, one day came 2 farmers with a foie gras in their hands. And so I got very excited about that. My 2 bosses were a little less excited, and they didn't want to go into it. And that's what made me decide to start my own company. It was simply, this is missing here. We need better chicken, we need things like quail and rabbit, and then maybe some game. The biggest tip that you can get out of this is have the best ingredient possible. All the best chefs in the world, they know that already. If your meat is really, really good, you cannot mess it up. My daughter has been trying to bring me to climbing walls and cliffs. It's very challenging. I like the puzzle effect of it, you know, finding the exact right place to put the next position. And some bicycling in the city, and that's pretty much it. My life is cooking, seriously, and or eating. Eating is a good hobby too. I have 2 big dinners a month, one with my buddies for the poker game, and I experiment on them, you know. I try new things, and sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's a miss. And then the second meal is with my buddies, chefs. Not worrying about plating, they are chefs, I'm not. I'm here to give them pleasure with good food and not to show off. In the kitchen, we have fun all the time with Chef Christophe. Our marketing team would come with some crazy ideas, and we would try to do the very first prototype and see if this is an idea that could work or if it's totally crazy, which is most of the time. But